Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be covering basics of Six Sigma. In this, I'll be going through understanding of Six Sigma, different parts and its methodology. If you still not subscribe my channel, I'll recommend you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for any updates. Thank you. So what is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a system of statistical tools and techniques focused on eliminating defects and reducing process variability. The Six Sigma process includes measurement, improvements, and validation activities. The Six Sigma relates to the connection between the number of defects per million opportunity, that is DPMO, and the number of standard deviation found within the process specification. Sigma and its definition. What is sigma? A term used in statistics to represent standard deviation, an indicator of degree of variation in any set process. Business definition. A breakthrough strategy to significantly improve customer satisfaction and shareholder value by reducing variability in every aspect of business. Technical definition. A statistical term signifying 3.4 defects per million opportunity. Objectives to understand Six Sigma. Objective of Six Sigma project is to increase profit and increase customer satisfaction. That may be by decreasing the product cost, by increasing yield, or reducing scrap or defect generation, or it may be a quality improvement projects, or it may be a cycle time reduction projects. See, if you apply a Six Sigma project to any of your inefficient process, that Six Sigma practice or Six Sigma methodology will help to reduce defects and error happening in a production process, and is also decrease rework in a great extent. That rework, that consumes a lot of time and company resource without adding any value to the product. So before taking any project, you can consider this project belongs to a business improvement or a cost reduction project or a quality improvement project or cycle time reduction projects. Different parts of Six Sigma. The goal of Six Sigma is to increase profit by eliminating variability in the process or reducing defects and waste that undermine customer loyalty. To understand Six Sigma, you must understand its four different components. It is goal and quality targets, problem solving tools, methodology and processes, Six Sigma life cycle. Goal and quality targets. See, although all these goals listed here will result in increased profit in one form or another, I have to mention this on its own because Six Sigma revolves around it. See, most of the companies, either it may be a product manufacturing company or it may be a service oriented company, they will apply Six Sigma to increase profit or to improve product quality or to improve customer satisfaction. If it is a product manufacturing company, they will apply Six Sigma to their any of inefficient process to reduce defect or to improve yield, or it is a cycle time reduction projects. If it is a service oriented company, they will apply Six Sigma to improve quality of service. So before taking any projects or before identifying any inefficient process, you need to know how many of your product is defective, or if it is a service oriented industry, you need to understand where your service falls short. So you need to have a data, you need to collect the data of your process, and you need to have a data of your competitors, do a benchmark study to understand the gap to fix the target. Once you taken the project to reach to improve the process and reach the level of your competitor, you need to have a timeline and you need to have a plan how to get there and how to sustain there. That is very important. Once you improve the process, you need to have a plan how to sustain your improvement. So these projects or this Six Sigma implementation across your organization will improve your corporate culture by very few people. See, very few people will become a Six Sigma green belt and the black belts in your company, but the entire company will see the focus on quality and respond accordingly. See, implementing Six Sigma and in an easy way to tell everyone that quality matters. Problem solving tools used in Six Sigma. See, once you have done your project charter and defined your problem accurately, next is the root cause analysis is one of the most important elements of the problem solving in Six Sigma. I listed very few problem solving tools. You can use this, or maybe you can use a Minitab software to identify, collect the data, analysis and improve the things. Here I listed very few like analysis of variance, CPC case study, process mapping, SciPoc, 7 quality tools. It's one of the very good tool to solve the problems. Control charts, FMEA, FTA, or gauge R&R study, like that mini mistake proofing, normality test, process flow diagram, regression analysis, five-way analysis, scatter diagram, tolerance interval analysis, VSM, variance component analysis or Kanban system. And here I listed very few. You can keep this or you can add any extra tool if required to solve your problem. Methodology and processes. Two main Six Sigma methodologies are DMAIC and DMADV. DMAIC is define, measure, analysis, improve and control. DMADV is define, measure, analysis, design and verify. Each has its own set of recommended procedures to be implemented for business transformation. DMAIC is data-driven method used to improve existing product or service for better customer satisfaction. DMADV is a part of design for Six Sigma, that is DFSS process used to design or redesign the different process of product manufacturing or service delivery. DMADV is employed when existing processes do not meet the customer condition even after optimization or when it is required to develop new method. Processes is DMAIC will be used for improvement process and problem solving process. DMADV or DFSS will be used for designing of different product and processes. Other than this one, even the Six Sigma will be used to validate tools at the time of qualification, at the time of installation, that is installation qualification, operation qualification or product qualification. The life cycle of Six Sigma initiative. Initialize Six Sigma by establishing goals and installing infrastructure. Deploy the initiative by assigning, training and equipping the staff. Implement projects and improve performance yielding financial result. Expand the scope of initiative to include additional organization units. Sustain the initiative through realignment, retraining and evaluation. Monitoring the improvements. DMAIC methodology. So in this I will briefly explain what is the DMAIC and what are the different phases and how to use this to have a breakthrough strategy. So in this DMAIC methodology we have a different phases like recognize, define, measure, analysis, improve, control and realize. So in recognize phase we will link Six Sigma to a business priorities, identify and project identification and the launch. When the project is launched, then we'll go for a define phase. So in define phase we will do a project charter, we'll define the problem and we'll identify what are the improvement activities and opportunity for improvement and project goal and customer requirement. So apart from this you can also do a voice of customer and value stream mapping. So once this is ready we'll go for a measure phase. In measure phase we'll measure the process performance by doing process mapping for recording the activities, or we can do a process capability study, CPCPK study, or if it is a defect reduction you need to collect the data and do a Pareto chart. So once the data is ready we can go for a analysis phase. In analysis phase, analysis the process to determine the root cause of variation and defects. You can use root cause analysis tools, 7 quality tools, FMEA or multivariate chart. So once it is done you can go for a improve phase. In improve phase, improve the process performance by addressing and eliminating the root cause. Root cause is identified in analysis phase. So that need to be eliminated by doing the improvement activities in improve phase. In improve phase you can use DOE or regression analysis or any Kaizen events to improve the process. Then once it is improved, once it is implemented, all the whatever the root cause analysis is identified, that is implemented, you can go for a control phase. In control, improved process and failure process performance will be controlled and sustained. So for this you can implement QCP, quality control plan, or SPC, or 5S, or mistake proofing. So once it is done, it is recorded and you need to have a detailed documentation. So in real life we will do integrate day to day business, that is implementing everything and documenting, and implementation and financial benefit also will be recorded. This is the DMAIC, different phases of DMAIC. Thank you for watching my video. Comment me your views at my email ID prasadagastya@gmail.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.